Two bodies, among them 25 children, have been recovered in a mass grave at a cemetery in Kericho. Now, this followed an exhumation exercise that was strictly supervised by officers from the Directorate of Criminal Investigation and government pathologist. The bodies included 7 adults and 25 newborns and fetuses, and 6 body parts of adults. The shocking findings have raised pertinent questions, including the identity of the deceased persons, why and how they died, and their origin. Ken Geshui opens our broadcast tonight.
In a shocking turn of events, at least 32 bodies have been found in a mass grave discovered at a Kericho cemetery, which had been earlier estimated to be just 14 bodies by those hired to dig the grave and bury them.
We found 7 adults and 25 children who qualify. Some of them are neonates and others are fetuses. So in total, we have 32 bodies. We also found 6 body parts, 4 legs and 2 hands. So those ones, we are going to analyze them.
The director of the homicide unit at the DCI, Martin Nyuguto, in collaboration with government pathologists, led the exhumation exercise, attracting hundreds of curious residents.
We hope that they will be as transparent as they have been so far by allowing us to monitor the exhumation, so that there is some public trust that this process was very transparent, and whatever outcome or report that will give, the public will have confidence in that report.
Despite heavy rains disrupting the exercise, the officers managed to exhume the bodies, which have been preserved at the Kericho mortuary ahead of post-mortem examination and identification as directed by the court.
The autopsy on those bodies will have to be done to ascertain the cause of death for each one of them. We are also not sure of the number. Sababu tunaambiwa kwa other body bags, there could have been 2 or 3 bodies. Others had parts of bodies, so we are not sure.
The cemetery is owned by the National Council of Churches of Kenya, which has distanced itself from any knowledge of the burial of the bodies done on March 20th this year.
So kama kanisa tungependa watu watoke direct na to own responsibility, the county government, the national government, watuambia watu wamezikwa hapa ni kina nani, ni nani aliwaleta, na kwa nini hakuje kuwa na proper communication.
The discovery of the grave has reignited fears of extrajudicial killings and cult-related activities, with residents calling for investigation report to be made public once complete.
And at this point in time, we are not ruling out anyone being behind what has